Hi guys, in this video we will see your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. How to fix such type of error message on your iPhone. If you are also facing such type of error message, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is tap on your settings of your iPhone and here tap on your profile name and here tap on sign out and sign out from your Apple ID and after sometimes re-sign in again. Then sign out and sign in your Apple ID. This is the first and initial workaround. And thereafter, go back on the same settings page and tap on sign in and security. Wait for some times, it will open. And here, tap on change password. Enter your iPhone passcode and change your Apple ID password. Enter a new password and verify new password and finally choose change. Then first sign out and sign in and second change your Apple ID password. This is the second workaround. And the third one is if your problem is exist still, then go to the next workaround. On the same settings page, scroll down and tap on screen time and here scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure that allowed apps and features is not restricted under content and privacy restrictions on your iPhone. If you found it in restricted mode, then allowed apps and feature remove restriction first. There may be a cause of such type of error message appear on your screen. The next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone and here tap on general settings and here scroll down and tap on date and time. Make sure that correct date and time has been set on your iPhone. Sometimes incorrect date and time may be a cause of certain apps and features not working properly on your iPhone. So you must ensure that a correct date and time has been set on your iPhone. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.